Up here in Rochester, going to create 18-foot long pondless waterfall. It's going to twist, turn through here, end up into our hidden basin. Stay tuned to see how we progress through this. I'm right up against the back of the house now. In the future, we'll be installing a pond right up and through here. Homeowners' concerns now are that they have a little one, so they want the sights and sounds of the water coming in now, and in the future they will take the basin out. We'll have that go into a pond that's up in this area. Like I said, stay tuned and let's see how this one shakes out. Thanks. So we got waterfall. It's going to come out of the spillway here. It's going to come around here and cascade. We'll probably do a dual drop right in through here with some of our stones. Another small little drop here just before it ends into the basin. We'll put a bib liner on just to continue it on a little bit more. That's about it. Should wrap this project up today. Here we are at the end of the project. The water flowing, rocks are all set. Got a pondless waterfall up here in Rochester, Michigan. On to the next job.